Are you ready to elevate your design game? With Canva, you can create a catching posters in just a few clicks. Whether you are promoting an event, sharing a message, or showcasing your art, Canva's user-friendly tools make it easy to bring your vision to life. Dive in and start impressing your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to make a poster in Canva. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the homepage, as you can see. So posters are a powerful way to communicate your ideas, promote events, and capture attention. With Canva, creating stunning posters has never been easier. Its intuitive design tools and vast library of templates and graphics allow you to unleash your creativity without needing graphic design experience, whether you are crafting a vibrant event flyer or an inspirational code poster. Canva empowers you to make your vision a reality. Start designing today and watch your ideas come to life in a visually captivating way. So to get started, you have just to click over here and you sign up by writing your email address and your password, or you can also log in and you will find the homepage. So here we have it. So I will just search your content canvas here. I will select here, for example, posters. So as you can see, we have your various templates. So I will click over see all, and I will just find other templates like that. So as you can see, here we have it. We have 20,000 templates, as you can see. So about filters, I will set the filter that I want. For example, here we have business, like docs, presentations, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, prototypes, mind maps, websites, graph planners, letterheads, calendars, resumes, invoices, proposals, reports. And here we have social media like Instagram, posts, stories, reels, Facebook, you have posts, covers, ads. We have your stories, TikTok videos, Pinterest pins, LinkedIn videos, video ads. We have animated social media, Twitter posts. Then we have here the option of education like subject, grade, resource type. Then we have your videos, Facebook videos, video messages, mobile videos, video collages, YouTube videos, feed ad videos. Then we have marketing like business cards, flyers, logos, posters, brochures, menus, newsletter, infographic. We have print products. Here we have it. And then we have the last one, which is cards and invitations. Like you have invitations, card, and postcards. Then we have the option of format. Then we have here style, language, theme. Then we have feature, grade, subject, topic, and the price. And then we have the last one, which is color. So about the price, we have here the free one and the pro one. I will select, for example, the free one, and I will click over apply. Once you do that, you will find this templates. We have here 10,000 templates, as you can see. So for example, I will select this one and I will click over customize this template. So Canva is your go-to platform for creating eye-catching posters that make a lasting impact. With its user-friendly features and the endless design possibilities, you can easily turn your ideas into stunning visuals. Don't miss the chance to express your creativity and connect with your audience. Start exploring Canva today and transform your concepts into beautiful, engaging posters. So for example, here we have this template. So if you want to look, or if you want to duplicate page, then we have here also other options like if you want to hide page, if you want to move down, and here we have the name of the page. And here we have if you want to also delete the page, and if you want to add a page. So you choose the background that you want and select the thing that you have. And here we have endo and riddle. And here we have if you want to zoom like that. And also here we have terminal view. And we have also here grid view. We have also present full screen. And here we have if you want to ask Canva, for example, how to make poster. So you will get your answer right now. So let's wait for it. So here we have it, the first one in editor. Go to design tab, select templates, choose a template you like, and here you have customize your poster by adding text and adjust colors, fonts, and size to fit your style. Then here we have, if you want to design, for example, templates and styles. For example, here we have poster, Halloween, blue, pink. Here we have recently used, like this one. Then here we have about elements. You'll find frame, line, arrow, circle, and here we have like that. Then we have shapes, graphics, AI image generator, stickers, photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frames, grids, mockups, and collections. Then here we have text, like here we have add a text box, add magic right here, add your print fonts, and here we have if you want to add a heading, add a subheading, and we have here add a little bit of body text. Then here we have here font combination, like here we have this one, and also we have here the print if we want to add logos, colors, fonts, and here we have print voice, photos, graphics, icons. Then about uploads, we have upload files here, and also if you want to record yourself, and here we have this page, so you can just click over record, 3 2 1, and you get started recording like that. So here we have it, so we have here seconds, and you click over done once you continue. So you click over save and exit, and if you want to delete it and you get started again, you click over delete and you record it again. So let's exit the studio. Then also you can upload the video and image or audio that you want, and the last option, which is drop. For example, I will select the color that I want. For example, I like this one, and I will draw here, as you can see. Also, if you want to come back and click over here, endo, and here we have redo also. And this is how it looks firstly. Then the next step, which is share. So you have to add a pupil groups on your team, and here we have collaboration link. So I will select anyone can access the design using this link, no sign in required. Then also we have here download, public view, present, and here we have see all. Public view link, present, template link, present and record. You have copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, embed, and website. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.